Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Class 3. Listen, today we will do revision unit 1 of your workbook. Okay? So, this is a poem. My Shadow is a Topic. It's written by R.L. Stevenson. Okay? First of all, before doing this reading comprehension, shall we recite the poem? Okay, firstly I'll recite, then you will be ready to recite as same. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of me is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Second stanza. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Third one, he hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me, he's a coward, you can see. I think shame to stick to Norsey as that shadow stick to me. Last one. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shiny dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So, listen, students, this is a topic, my shadow. What's the meaning of shadow? Shadow means shade, any type of outline, follow. Okay, shadow we can see during the sunlight or the artificial light which we use. Okay, and when we light the candle, we can see shadow, we can make shadows on the wall. And this is a playing game also, with the help of hands we use to make on the walls, right? Many activity. As I can show you one activity. See, here it is my hand, and same you can see little bit shadow. Okay, so in this way many moments, many birds, many animals we can make with the help of hands, but with the help of shadow. Okay, so here is also the title is shadow, means any type of shade, and you are familiar with this word, and you have played many games also related to this shadow games. So it's all the description about the shadow, that I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Okay, so here in this poem, Stevenson wants to express about shadow. Sometimes the little shadow he explained, and sometimes larger or longer shadow, right? So I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of it is more than I can see. What's the use of that little shadow? So sometimes it gives relax, heals up to the head, and sometimes laziness. So it's all about the shadow and this poem expressed by poet. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children. Okay, So the poet has given example that the grows up means shoots up. When shadow grows up, it grows up very slow, not like the proper children's growing proper children. It's very lazy, it's very slow. Okay, and it's not, it's taller like an India rubber ball. Okay, so and he sometimes gets so little, sometimes little, there is none of him at all. And he expresses that sometimes it's too little, and the poet could not able to see that who is chasing, who is at the behind. Okay, he hasn't got a notion. The word notion means any type of idea of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. Sort of means every kind of way. Sort means kind, any type. Okay, so he stays so close beside me. He's a coward. You can see, coward means any type of, we can say, weakling. Means lack of courage. Who is having like a lack of courage. So, okay, he is also, you can see sometimes lack of courage in it. He stays so close beside me. I think that she aims to stick a nursery so that shadow sticks to me. Sometimes it's childish. Okay, so sometimes it's larger, sometimes it's taller, sometimes it's too little. So all about the shadow, the poet expressed this. One morning very early, means early morning, before the sun was up. So poet expressed about the early morning scene that when I rose, means when I got up from the bed, found the shining dew on every buttercup. Buttercup means sometimes or some types of flowers with the small yellowish flowers. Okay, we can say buttercup. But my lazy shadow, like an errant, sleepy head. Okay, so this is the example given by poet. But my lazy little shadow means today's, when I rose up, when I got up from the bed, the shadow was too little. Okay, it was like, it was completely sluggish. It was completely lazy. Had stayed at home behind me. And I thought that the shadow stayed at home only and was fast asleep in bed and slept on bed. So it is a journey about, explained about the shadow. Okay, how the poet's shadow walks, sometimes slow, sometimes fast, sometimes larger, sometimes lazy. So many examples, and hope you understood this, an interesting reading comprehension. So get ready. Today you will do all the question answers, okay, of this. These are only 2 question answers and MCQs. You will do. These are, why does the boy refer to his shadow as a coward? We have expressed. And why do you think the boy's shadow did not stick to him when he woke up early one morning and went outside? So hope you will do very easily. If you will find any difficulty, then I'll be there every time. Okay, so you will complete it. If you find any difficulty, you can give me call, or you can text me, or any type of voice message you can send. I will be there every time. Thank you, students. Okay, bye bye.